Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notification from one of the state university. And here UGC NET or PhD is not mandatory and the salary is 25,000 rupees per month. It is the consolidated one. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is Uttarakhand Open University guys. Okay, so in this Uttarakhand Open University, if you once go to the career column, then you will find out here advertisement engagement of assistant professor AC in various subjects. So click on this read more, then you will be directed to the next web page. Okay, so download advertisement details and form, so click on that one, then this PDF will download. And actually this notice came on 26 March 2021. So I may check down here, the last date is 9th April 2021. It is the last date for the application to send for the assistant professor post. And coming to the educational qualification and experience as per the UGC or AICTE norms and Uttarakhand government rules. So preference will be given to the candidates who have experience in open and distance learning mode type of teaching. So the remuneration is 25,000 rupees per month and it is a fixed one. And while coming to the subjects, you may check down here in the faculty of humanities, the subjects are English, Hindi, Urdu, Sanskrit, astrology, music. And coming to the faculty of social sciences, economics, political science, public administration, sociology, social work, history and psychology, and the number of vacancies are also mentioned here. And coming to the department of tourism and hospitality, the tourism, and the faculty of management studies and commerce, management studies and commerce subjects. And next faculty of journalism and media. So next faculty of geology and environmental sciences. So here geography and the environmental science, these are the subjects. And coming to the faculty of science, mathematics, zoology, chemistry and botany, and then faculty of health sciences, yoga and home science. Okay, so total these are the different subjects guys. So if you belongs to any one of these subjects with post graduation, okay, so with UGC NET or without UGC NET, with PhD or without PhD, then you may apply to this one guys. And coming to the application fee is 200 rupees. Okay. So actually here the walk-in interview is there. Walk-in interview on 9th April 2021 guys. And all the interested and eligible applicants should write their records in prescribed application format and the self-attested photocopies and also records related to the original educational experience as well as the publications will present before the selection committee. And the candidates who wants to attend the walk-in interview, they have to submit the application fee of 200 rupees in the account section of the university, and a copy of the receipt received will be attached with the application form. Okay, so here the application form is kept here, so you may check down. So here the details you have to fill up. Okay, so first of all your details and then your educational qualifications and your teaching experience. Okay, all these things have to be mentioned here. And in this application they did not mention regarding the UGC NET or the PhD. So I think it is not mandatory for this post. Okay, anyhow if you are having those qualifications, then please mention those in this mentioned table. So if you did not having any, if you did not have any UGC NET or the PhD qualification, then you need not to mention here. Just mention your SSC and the plus 12 plus 2 as well as undergraduation and the post graduation details in this table. Okay guys, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who wants this type of notifications. Okay, and please subscribe the channel. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide